Dear customers, today I would like to show you how to compare with my wireless keypad to different brands of the receiver. This is our universal wireless keypad. First of all, you need to confirm what is the brand you wanted to learn from. For example, this is Chamberlain brand. And then you need to find the brand table for OpenID. Chamberlain with yellow button. See? Chamberlain with yellow button. The OpenID is 08. And that belongs to type 2 with warm button. So you need to do the operation procedure with type 2. First of all, to enter factory set interrupt pin code 40 and 59 to confirm. First channel 01 to confirm. And enter the brand table OpenID 08 to confirm. These steps means you have finished the brands pairing. And now to press the learn button from the receiver. And press the first channel pin code. Yes, this means you have pairing successfully. And now we try to control it. See, it works. Okay.